Things to do in Singapore when you have kids. Last time we visited Kids Stop at Science Center Jurong East. And of course, my kids really love playing in this super big playground. Here's the reason why you should bring your kid here at Kids Stop. We have 15 areas with different themes. And of course, having those different themes, they have different sensory levels. The kids will really love it because they were playing and learning at the same time. And of course, they also learn how to socialize and share with other kids. Kita niyo naman yung little chef ko. Chef na cashier pa. Hindi, kinuha lang kasi yung recipe niya. Yan, pwede na maglaro ng buhangin na walang nani na nagagalit. Si Timmy, favorite niya yan. Dukutin yung mata ng dino. Siyempre, it's time to go home. Played here from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Sulit na, di ba? Thanks for watching.